Hey, this is Joe Gilder from PreSonus. Millions of people have picked up the guitar in the last few years to learn how to play. Now, maybe that's you. Maybe you've started playing, it's stuck, you're getting better, and now your next question is, can I learn how to record myself? Is that possible? Is that attainable for me? The answer is absolutely yes, it is. And the best part is, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to start. All you need is something like this. This cute little box is called the AudioBox GO from PreSonus, and we made it just for you. This gives you everything you need, both hardware and software, to start recording your music. You can plug your guitar into this, a microphone into this, your speakers and headphones, they all get plugged into this. This plugs into your computer via USB. It comes with the software, you install that, and you're off to the races recording your first song. In this video, I'm going to show you how fun and easy it is to record a song with AudioBox GO. First, I plug in my speakers, plug in my guitar, plug it into my computer. It's ready to go. This is Studio One Prime, the recording software that comes for free with the AudioBox GO. I want to record some guitar and vocals, but first, I'm going to build a loop using some of these included loops. All right, I've got a loop repeating for about 5 minutes. That should work. Let's change those to blue. And now on this track, I've added a plugin called Ampire. This is an amp modeling software that we developed that sounds like a guitar amp. So I've plugged my guitar directly into the AudioBox GO. I click this button here and I get this sound. All right, I think I'm ready to record. Sweet, now I'm going to plug in my microphone and my headphones and track some vocals.
30 years doing this same old thing, always wondering what's in it for me, what's in it for me. Gotta know what's the ROI, gotta know if it's worth my time, ooh, my time. Looking over my shoulder, always looking up that ladder, never see what's right in front of me, yeah. 'Cause I got so much more to give than I could ever take. I got a mission, and I got so much life to live.
And just like that, we have a song. That was incredibly fun. I had a blast doing that. Now it's your turn. Head over to PreSonus.com, check out the AudioBox GO, and go make some music.